woke up and we're moving in the car. Gonna get a computer for me to edit
TikToks and stuff.
Jesse has his GoPro and it looks like a camera because it has all this stuff on it. Jesse's computer stuff.
And Josh's. This thing for Josh. Hold up, this one.
The computer.
Oh my god! I'm flipping everywhere.
I'm done, like I can't move.
It's so wet the whole way.
Bro, Jess, that looks so fun, dude. Jess, look how much snow this is.
Try it again.
Fine.
Oh, that's not good. Cold.
She's minty. That's probably because.
Oh, there's a train. I'll go. I was stuck.
You got that on video?
Yeah.
He's gone. Just sliding down. Oh my god. I've been riding, I've been rolling on this road for a long time. I've been out here getting it on my own for a long time.
Just look at it. Look how deep I'm going.
This is a foot deep snow.
More than, I don't know, probably definitely a foot and a half.
Should have brought the snow boots.
Got about 10 years in it, can't fake that with photo likes. Better not waste no time, young Montana, that world is mine. I've got it in my
crazy.
mind.
Oh my god, you ready for a race?
We tried to bike in this. Just to get
This shoulder she cry on. Call me bro, he a python. When I'm going to my mama, crib, call me icon. Figured out that I did now.
The snow coming piling up down there in the end.
If you want the greatness, it's gonna take you a long time.
All the others are like down that way far. Josh and I are here.
His bike blew up.
Drayden's bike blew up, yeah. In the snow. Okay, wait, let's log a bit. Let's tell him what's happening.
Let me see myself in that. Okay, we have beautiful sunset in the back.
What's up?
With Jess. Got the bikes. Waiting for everybody.
Yeah, it's 7:46.
7:46, trust us.
Yep. Time to go back. I totally forgot to film this. Right here, I went through at least a foot of water. I'm soaked. My whole pants like down there are soaked. right, guys.
Yeah.
So what's up?
Bro. Oh, you have your dog?
How'd you get
just
here?
a ring of ice in his airbox.
The mini bike broke down.
Yeah.
Piece of junk, bro. I'm gonna
Crazy,
snorkel
buddy.
this thing. It's getting
Do
a
it.
snorkel.
I'm gonna leave without them, see what he does. No! Oh my gosh! Gosh, what are you doing? Oh my gosh! Okay. Oh. Thanks for cleaning my window.
You're welcome.
Tryna party, but it's much too late.